Saka Maria Abiodun. I have something to show you. Come and unbox with me. Okay? Have ordered this thing. It has been at home. Like, I bought it, but I've been so busy. So in fact, I've not been able to use it. But this time around, I say it's good for me to show you. This from BK, Big Kong Gadget and Stuff. I bought it around my area actually. So, see what we have. We have Pro LED 800. I want to back content creator in Becca's voice. So yes, I don't want to buy ring lights. She likes I don't want to buy, or my friend asked me to get this, and I actually see reasons why I need this instead of ring lights. Okay, so this actually comes with, this is the power adapter. It has a space for where I will charge my battery. You can see two batteries here. Two batteries, so I can easily use this to charge. Okay, and once it's fully charged, I can just go ahead to create my content even if there is no lights. Okay, so this is the rotor. What's it called? I shall know. This is the one I'm going to put to fix on the tripod, and this is the guy itself. Yeah, so yeah. Can you see it? Can you feel it? Ooh. Content. Don't worry, I will be giving you people back to back now. This is space for the battery. Let's feed the battery. And see what we have here. I was told and to make it straight, then pin. Do this as well. Straight. Pin. Oh, yes. And let me not blind your eyes. Hey, can you see me? The light is lightning. I can't even see myself again. Okay, so I can actually, that's three kind of lights actually. This one, this kind of yellow and white. Anyway, you shall have seen it. You have seen it. I can dim it, I can increase it, and oh, I think I really like this. Then I have my, it comes with tripod. Yeah, it comes with this tripod, and so yes, we'll be using this to hold it. Yeah, so I can make it like this, anyhow I want it. So I'm so glad I was able to, get this for myself. It's been long. I've been saving 100 naira to get this, and I'm so glad I was able to, get this. And what other things? Okay, this one that is holding this is just ordinary tripod where my phone is standing. So it means I have two tripod, and I have these LED lights. Okay, all right. So please, in case you are seeing my content back to back, people say I'm not giving you enough content. So I'm ready for you people now. Let me switch this off. Yes, and then remove. So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you are following me on Instagram. Make sure you are just everywhere, because I'll be posting content everywhere you go. This is what I'm using my weekend to do. I've been preparing, arranging my things since, but I said I need to start creating content, and I don't want to start creating this content without showing you people what I have been using my 100 naira, my savings of 100 naira to do. All right, thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I know you're going to say, Maria, congratulations. I'm saying thank you.